It's the Weather Extreme video. This is for Tuesday morning, May 5th. I'm James Spann, and upper ridge holds. That's going to keep us warm and dry for a while. Most of the active weather off to the west and to the east. Could we see an early season tropical system later this week? Let's take a look. Ridging here across the eastern U.S., troughing in the west. We'll see some active weather well to the west and north of the state later today and tonight. Starting off the day mostly in the 50s, Fort Payne at 50, Gadsden 52, Birmingham and Huntsville at 61. We'll be well up in the 80s again today. A flash flood watch for parts of West Texas. That is very welcome rain for our friends there. Other than that, things pretty quiet around the nation this morning. A slight risk of severe weather. That's the standard risk for parts of West Texas and New Mexico. Tomorrow, a slight risk from near Childress, Texas, north up through parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska. And on day 3, a slight risk, again well to the west of the state. Rain just not happening for the next 5 days. This is the rain through early Sunday morning, suggesting not a drop around here. Big rains where they could use it. North Texas up through the southern plains. And how about a little early season tropical mischief? Maybe preseason tropical mischief, a better word. The hurricane season technically starts on June 1. And again, evidence suggesting some type of subtropical low could form off the South Atlantic coast. We'll take a look at that. All right, model fans, here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. Ridging for the southeast, troughing in the west. And the weather just not changing very much. Low to mid-80s with a good supply of sunshine today. Active weather to the west. Same thing tomorrow. Lots of sun with mid-80s. We note the surface low developing to the east, east of Daytona Beach. And Thursday, we're dry. That subtropical system is lurking off the coast of South Carolina. This is the NAM, valid at 10 o'clock Thursday night Central Time. And it's got a fairly deep tropical type feature that's northeast of Savannah, Georgia, and a bit south of Charleston. And the real main impact of that at that point would be offshore, but that certainly is going to bring some rough surf and riptides to the South Atlantic coast, and maybe some wind and rain for the immediate coast, but no impact on us. Friday, the steering currents collapse. That thing's got nowhere to go. It just sits over there. Friday for us, we stay warm and dry. Highs up in the mid-80s. And as the weekend begins on Saturday, again, we're dry. So it's the same pattern. You got the surface low that's to the west of Amarillo, Texas. The little tropical features off the South Atlantic coast, a surface boundary north of us. But again, there's just no reason to forecast any change. And very warm, if not hot. The GFS is printing 89. And then Sunday, same deal. You know, I guess you could throw in a slight chance of a shower, but just don't see any need to do that at this point. Monday of next week, moisture creeps in from the east as that feature kind of goes into retrogression, and there might be a shower Monday, but obviously it's no big deal if we see anything at all. And this is a week from today, Tuesday, May 12th. Again, a fairly weak zonal flow across the country, and it looks like a dying front tries to drift in here. There could be a shower, but again, no big deal, no heavy rain, and certainly no chance of any severe weather. This is the end of the forecast out there toward the end of next week, and big trough on the west coast. That's good for them. They could use that rain, but again, same deal for us. Pretty quiet weather. So really for the first half of May, things are just calm, mostly dry, unseasonably warm, no severe weather. In fact, look at the numbers coming off the ensembles here. This thing is now printing 90 for Sunday and Monday. That'll make the summer fans happy. Otherwise, highs mostly in the 80s, lows mostly in the 50s and 60s. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.